You have done so many things and you've had so many exits. Can you give, there's a lot of people that listen to our show, a lot of aspiring entrepreneurs, or maybe an entrepreneur that's tried something and failed. If you had to give, some general advice for any entrepreneurs listening right now, what are some things you would tell them about getting started and how you were successful early? What are a few pieces of advice you'd share?
So, look, on paper, there isn't a startup that should succeed. On paper, you have no shot at winning. And I know, and the stats prove that out too, right? So,
right. Absolutely.
But there is something that your company has that your competitors don't, and that's you. And for the same reason why I don't like being in big companies, I'm not good in. Generally speaking, people like me aren't good in because we are disruptive. And so the only shot we have at being successful is being disruptive in our own thing. So I guess my advice would be, your strength is the fact that you're not big. Your strength is the fact that you disrupt and that you have grit and that you have an appetite for risk. And so don't believe that doing it the way a big company does is the right way. It's not the right way. And the people that you bring on will tell you that you're doing it wrong. You're doing it wrong. If you're a big company, you're probably going to be doing it right because you're a small company, because you're caring about different things.
The Riderflex podcast features entrepreneurs, business executives, and the stories behind how they got there, as well as daily tips on career advice and job interviews. Our show can be heard just about anywhere these days, but you can visit riderflex.com and click on the podcast page to hear all the previous episodes and learn more about the recruiting and consulting services we provide. Contact us at the email address info@riderflex.com or 888-964-5876. Thanks so much for listening, and if you enjoy our show, please be sure to subscribe to our channel and like the episodes.